Managing the power options on your Samsung S26 is very simple and takes only a few seconds. This guide will help you turn off or restart your device quickly whenever needed. To begin, pick up your Samsung S26 and press and hold the power button plus volume down button at the same time. Keep holding them for a few seconds until a power menu appears on the screen. This menu gives you different options to control your phone's power settings. If you want to completely switch off your phone, tap on the power off option. After selecting it, confirm your choice once again. Your device will then shut down fully, helping you save battery or safely restart later when needed. On the other hand, if your phone is running slow or you just want a quick refresh, choose the restart option. Tap it and confirm. The Samsung S26 will automatically turn off and power back on within a few seconds. This helps fix minor software issues and improves overall performance. By following these easy steps, you can smoothly control your phone's power options anytime. It's fast, simple, and designed to make your Samsung S26 experience more convenient and user-friendly.